customers are complaining we do not have a lot of Sharkman in stock. That is not true. Yeah, that's true. We don't have much. We don't have many Sharkman trucks in stock because the demand of Sharkman is less. But recently, many customers asking for Sharkman, so we made a lot of Sharkman here, and we keep it in a line. And you see, we have a Sharkman F3000 tipper. Also, we have a tractor. This is a fully remanufactured quality level. And also we have this Sharkman H3000 tipper and the tractor head. So let me show you one by one. We do have a lot of Sharkman in stock, not refurbished yet. If you need, we can do it immediately.